Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make creamy shrimp soup. Start by sautéing onion, garlic, and celery in butter until soft, then add flour and whisk to form a light roux. Gradually stir in stock, bring to a simmer, and add peeled shrimp to cook gently. Finish with cream and lemon juice for brightness, season to taste, stir in fresh herbs, and serve warm now. Begin by melting butter and sweating onion, garlic, and celery over medium heat until soft and fragrant, then sprinkle in flour and whisk constantly. Slowly add hot stock while whisking to create a silky broth, then bring to a gentle simmer. Add shrimp and cook just until opaque, then reduce heat and stir in cream and lemon juice for balance. Adjust salt, pepper, and herbs before plating and enjoy with crusty bread. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough for lasting comfort and a lifetime warranty, perfect for standing at the stove during long cooking sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you grab a pair, enjoy the extra comfort in the kitchen. Now let's get back to the video. To deepen flavor, brown the shrimp shells briefly and simmer them in the stock before straining, or use a quality store stock for convenience. Balance richness with acid like lemon juice, sherry, or a touch of vinegar, and stir in fresh herbs at the end for brightness. Avoid adding cream too early to prevent curdling, and taste as you season so the soup remains creamy yet well-balanced for serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.